Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. as a pumpkin. So first we're going to get started in the center, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle in the middle of our paper for our eye. Moving down towards the bottom left in the middle, and we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. Now from the top of this, we're going to arch this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's come down on a diagonal now and draw in the mouth. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then over. And then moving underneath this from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then back up on the right. Let's draw on the teeth now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Stepping beside that, curving this line over. From that point again, curving this line across. And then from that corner, we're going to arch this line around and then back up on the side. Now underneath, we're going to curve this line up and then down. From that point again, we're going to curve this line across. Again, from that corner, we're going to arch this line over. We'll do this 2 more times, curving this line across. And then we're just going to extend it past the top teeth slightly on the right. So now let's draw the shape of our pumpkin. So coming up on the left-hand side above our eye, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in another arch line from left to right, curving that down this time. On the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, bringing that in towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left, curving this line around and then up. Now on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down on both sides. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Now for the stalk in the center, the head, we're going to curve this line up. We'll leave a gap, replicating that, bringing that up towards the top. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. On the inside, we'll arch this line over, and then stepping across, we'll replicate that 1 more time. Lastly, we just have to draw in our horns now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same thing over on the left. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line down. And then again, we'll replicate this on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. as a pumpkin. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.